Hey, what's up guys, ADC Art Attack here and welcome to today's new video where I'm going to be painting a custom hat featuring Gogeta and BROLY for the new BROLY movie coming out, which I'm sure you guys are all excited for. If you haven't seen the movie yet, you probably have for all the spoilers, but hey, we're looking forward to it. So to get the hype going, I decided to do this custom hat, and I'm actually giving this hat away, although I've already gave it away to someone, so yeah. But onto that point, actually, you should actually focus on the screen, by the way. While I'm talking, there'll be like some things that will pop up every now and then, and that's like important information for you guys if you were interested in doing your own custom hats. So if you are interested in that stuff, pay attention to the stuff on screen and it'll just tell you what I'm doing at what point. I should also mention right now that I am using both of my hands. Now the reason I'm doing that is not to show off or anything. I have to use my left hand when I'm doing hats because I cannot reach the left hand side with my right hand due to the hat being in the way, and obviously the way that I'm set up with the camera and things like that, it makes it very difficult. So I do have to use both hands to get the accuracy, and boy was this difficult. Now I used to do custom hats a very long time ago, guys, like hats and shoes and things like this. I did hundreds of them. I got so many out there, and yeah, it's very difficult, and this is my first time trying again in about a year. I think it came out pretty nicely. I don't know, you guys will have to let me know what you think about that. But I am using the Angelus branded leather paints. Now people always ask me, why do you use shoe paints for doing this, or leather paint? Well, because they have fantastic coverage. They're a little bit expensive, I will say that, but the coverage on them and the versatility of them, it's just so damn good. So that's why I use them. And I'm also working in layers here. Now I used to blend when I used to do these customs. I used to do a lot of blending, but I kind of feel it's just so much easier and it looks really nice and clean when I just do this sort of block shading. So that's why I did it here. Also, another point to make, because I know someone will pick up on the inking in this. Now, I was intentionally trying to mimic the inking in the movie. I wasn't trying to line this perfectly. It was supposed to be lined in a... This is supposed to be a flattery piece. I was trying to do something that was sort of like, you know, for the movie, and considering I'm giving this to someone who is going to go see the movie, I figured I would do it that looks like the movie, and that was the point. So hopefully I captured that. Now these eyes were pretty cool, I gotta say that. But here we are doing the inking, and the inking I'm actually using just a normal brush and normal paint, nothing fancy, no inks or anything like that, just normal acrylic black paint. And yeah, this took me hours, guys, like really long time. I mean, you know that I've been quiet for about a week now, and that's the reason, aside from the whole Brexit stress right now, because I might have to leave my home because people voted to leave the EU. We'll get onto that in another video. But yeah, so I have been stressing out and it has been just a long-winded task, but I have enjoyed every single second of it. And guys, if I start doing more of these, I'm gonna give them away. There will be requirements in the videos, maybe you know, like a like threshold or something like that. That's the sort of compensation that I'll ask for it. I'm not gonna make any money off of it or anything like that, but I will, sort of like YouTube revenue, but that's it. So I will just give these away, and we'll see what you guys want to see, what you guys, you know, want me to paint on hats. I'm kind of thinking about doing some Naruto stuff next. I don't know, really like painting Naruto. It's one of my favorite things to paint. But look at BROLY. I hope that I got this accurate, guys, because I really tried hard here, and I'm babbling on, so I'm going to shut up. I think I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video because I kind of edited this pretty well. I think it's not too bad. It's quite good. So you guys enjoy this. Enjoy the little annotations on the screen. You know, just read them and kind of learn from them if you want to do customs. And that's why I'm here, to help teach and encourage. And I will see you in the next video. Anything you'd like me to do for the next video, whatever, let me know down below in a comment. And guys, have yourselves a nice day. Stick around to the end of the video to see the results. I would say watch the whole thing through. It is pretty long, but I do like the editing here, so you might enjoy it. And yeah, if you do enjoy this, then please leave a like and subscribe. And guys, thank you for your patience with me. Thank you all for the views and the subscribers lately. It's been fantastic. You guys are awesome. And yeah, ADC is back with some cool customs. Oh boy, it's been a long time. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.